Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Facebook likes and comments. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application and then at the bottom right click on the menu icon. Then here at the top right click on the settings icon right up here. Then you need to scroll down and find followers and public contact option. Then click on that. Here you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and find who can comment on your public posts. First of all, you need to click on the public option and then choose friends of friends or only friends. That means that if you choose friends, that means that only friends will be able to comment your posts. So then the other way how you can turn off Facebook likes and comments is to go to your profile, then scroll down and find any post you want. So then click on the comment icon, here it is, and then if your post have some comments and you want to remove this comment, all you need to do is to tap and hold on necessary one comment and then click on the delete button. So after that one comment will be deleted. But actually there is no option to turn off or remove your likes. But if you want to hide your post, for example, or change public privacy, all you need to do is to click on the three dots button at the top right and then click on the edit privacy button. And then here you need to choose, for example, only me if you want to hide your post, or you can choose specific friends and choose only a few friends you want to show this post to, and then click on the done button at the top right. So after that your post will be hidden. So that's all, that's how to turn off Facebook likes and comments. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.